the most convincing reasons to finally start drinking lemon water every day, ideally in the morning. Hey everyone, let's talk about the real reason why you should be drinking lemon water every single day. The average person doesn't know the true benefits of this zesty drink because they're actually quite amazing. So let's cover all the key points and get ready to be amazed. Number 1, by drinking lemon water on a regular basis, you have the potential to reduce a fatty liver. Now, this isn't just any ordinary benefit. We're talking about dissolving fat in the liver. The phytonutrients in lemon water work wonders on hepatic steatosis, fancy talk for a fatty liver. Imagine lemon water as a mini cleaner, scrubbing away the fat from your liver. And if you're already on a low-fat diet like keto, adding lemon water can speed things up. Pretty neat, right? Benefit number 2, weight loss. Now, lemon water doesn't directly melt away the pounds, but it does help in a sneaky way. Certain phytonutrients in lemon water can significantly lower blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance. It's like having a secret weapon in your diet. Lower insulin equals more weight loss. Remember, if you want to lose weight, focus on lowering insulin, not just cutting calories. On the hormone insulin, we have a whole other video that is linked at the top of the screen. Trust me, your fat cells can't shrink without lowering insulin. Next up, lemon water has anti-aging effects. Yes, the studies were done on animals, but hear me out. In a 5-week study, animals lived on average 3 weeks longer. Now, that might not seem like much, but imagine if you drink lemon water regularly for the rest of your life. Plus, it's not just about living longer, it's about extending the life of your friendly gut bacteria too. That is a whole topic in and of itself. But to make it short, your gut is basically your immune system, so who doesn't want happy, long-living gut bacteria? Benefit number 4, anti-cancer effects. No, lemon water won't cure cancer, but it can help inhibit its growth. In test tube studies, certain phytonutrients in lemon water killed malignant cancer cells of the tongue, lung, and colon. So while it's not a magic bullet, it's a great addition to your cancer-fighting toolkit. Here's a big one: reducing kidney stones. The citrate in lemon juice binds with oxalate, preventing the most common type of kidney stones, calcium oxalate stones. If you're prone to kidney stones, increase your lemon juice intake to about half a cup to a cup daily. Think of it as giving your kidneys a protective shield against those painful stones. Now let's talk about vitamin C. Lemon water can give you a good dose of it, but only if it's from actual lemons, not that pasteurized stuff in bottles. Heating destroys vitamin C, so fresh squeezed is the way to go. 1 lemon provides about half of your daily recommended vitamin C, which is fantastic for your immune system, preventing bleeding gums, spider veins, and even keeping your arteries in check. Finally, lemon water is packed with phytonutrients. These little wonders improve circulation, help with hemorrhoids, leg sores, spider veins, and varicose veins. One phytonutrient, naringenin, is even being tested as a potential treatment for Alzheimer's disease. Plus, it's antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal. Basically, it's like having a mini superhero in your glass. So, there you have it. The top 7 reasons to start drinking lemon water every day. It's easy, refreshing, and packs a punch of health benefits. Plus, it's a great way to add a little zest to your life. Don't forget to add it to your apple cider vinegar drink for an extra boost. A whole other video on apple cider vinegar you can find at the top. Do not miss it. Stay consistent and make it a part of your daily routine. Cheers to your health, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and healthy tips.